Though I'm here to speak to you about the environment and how you can sustain it. Over 75% of waste is recyclable, but we only recycle about 30% of it. By the end of this little spiel, you will be encouraged to go out and try to recycle and keep the environment clean and renewable. Through research that I have done, I found that we can reduce the amount of garbage by recycling. I will discuss the benefits of recycling, why recycling is important, and why you should recycle, and how you can recycle. Recycling can reduce pollution and help provide a healthy environment. Everyone must make a stronger effort to recycle because it is beneficial in so many ways. And this is recycled or compost percentage, and most of the stuff we threw away all gets into the landfill, and this is based upon the 2010 Multiple Solid Waste Characteristic Report. And then we need to start becoming aware of our responsibilities and take the next step towards saving our planet. First, I would like to explain why recycling is important. What are the benefits of recycling? Recycling is the process and materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turning them into products. It can benefit your community and the environment. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, recycling reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills and incinerators, conserves natural resources such as timber, water, and minerals, prevents pollution caused by reducing the need to collect new raw materials. It saves energy and reduces greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to global climate change. Making something from recycled materials means using less natural resources. The website How Stuff Works explains that making a brand new product without any recycled material causes natural resources to diminish the manufacturing process. Paper uses wood, pulp from trees, while the manufacture of plastic requires the use of fossil fuels like oil and natural gases. So why is recycling important, and why should we recycle? The world population is growing, not shrinking, and currently each human being adds significant waste to the planet over his or her lifetime. A website, Earth Friends, describes that in New York alone, people produce enough trash in one day to fill the entire Empire State Building. I have a short video clip I found on YouTube that I thought was very interesting about why we should all take recycling seriously.
The speaker might not be on. Step back a couple feet. It's kind of funky.
Sorry about that.
Third of the world's trash. All around the United States creates 1/3 of the world's trash. All around the world, humans are damaging the environment every day. Anyone can make a difference and protect future generations. Humans are being extremely wasteful, destroying the environment, but you can make a difference. With only 4.6% of the world's population, the United States produces more solid waste than any other country. This wasteful way of life that we adapted is building up. Each person believes that their waste doesn't make a difference, but everything adds up.
Okay, sorry about that. I guess it didn't quite go. But recycling is important because in one area we can save Americans threw away 36 billion plastic bottles. Plastic are made from petroleum and account for 7% to 8% of all fossil fuels consumed each year. One recycled bottle saves enough energy to power a 60-watt light bulb for 6 hours, and that information was from Green Geek's website. So how can you make a difference today? The first step is collecting and processing. Communities handle this in various ways. For example, some have the curbside recycling, which others have central drop-off facilities. And these recyclables are then sorted, cleaned, and turned into marketable raw resources. For example, stated by National Geographic, paper is turned into pulp and plastics are melted down. Step 2 consists of manufacturing the recycled materials into new products. Step 3 occurs when consumers purchase recycled products. This completes the recycling loop. Tips on reducing waste and conserving resources also include the 3 R's. It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. All help to cut down on the amount of waste we throw away. They conserve natural resources, landfill space, and energy. Buy products made from recycled material. Look for the recycling symbol. The recycling symbol means one of 2 things. Either the product is made of recycled material or the item can be recycled. For instance, many plastic containers have a recycling symbol with a number code that identifies what type of plastic resin it is made from. These are some examples. Recycling is one of our area of our lives that we can all make an effective impact right away towards healing our environment. And it is very easy. And we all need to do it more consciences about what we throw away and about what can be recycled. So in review, after today, I hope that I have persuaded you to think twice about that plastic bottle you're about to throw away. I discussed the benefits of recycling, showing how easily it can be done, how recycling is so important to the environment, and what we can do in our near future. Everyone is capable of changing the environment. Now I hope you have realized the harmful effects trash has in our environment. And now it is up to you to make a difference today. So I leave you with this quote. The man does not belong to man. Man does not belong to earth. Man did not weave the web of life. He is merely a strand in it. Whatever he does to the web, he does to himself. By Chief Seattle.